In this film, we have looked at the way birds take off, the aerodynamic structure of their bodies, the properties of their bones, the minute hooks in their feathers, the sharp wings of the hummingbird, the way migratory birds fly in V formation, their navigation systems, their different flight techniques, birds that can run or swim faster than any world champion athlete, and the beautiful patterns in birds' feathers. We have also witnessed an important truth. Allah's creation is totally flawless. His art and might are everywhere. Allah, the Lord of all the worlds, is the most great. In one verse, Allah reveals, "It is Allah who created the 7 heavens and of the earth the same number, the command descending down through all of them, so that you might know that Allah has power over all things and that Allah encompasses all things in His knowledge."